competitive dancers are from Olongapo City. Real King's family has consistently shown that passion, precision, and teamwork lead to victory. From local barangay competitions to inter-provincial battles, they have left an unforgettable mark on every stage they step on. In 2025, they are the Barangay Mabayuan Dance Craze Champion, Barangay Santa Rita Dance Showdown Champions, Barangay Santo Tomas Dance Battle Subic Zambales First Placer. They also secured podium finishes in Pampanga and Bataan. Back in Olongapo City, they conquered multiple contests. Barangay Asinan Hataw Sayaw Grand Champions, Barangay Banikain Dance Contest Grand Champions, and Barangay East Tapinac Dance Contest Grand Champions. From every move to every formation, this group embodies the heart of a true champion. Their story is one of resilience, unity, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Truly, a family of legends in the Philippine dance scene. From Olongapo City, Zambales! Real Kings Family!
Ang hirap-hirap ng trabaho nila. Sa lahat ng init, sa lahat ng pagod, nagpapatuloy sa kanila, nagbibigay ng lahat ang kanilang pamilya.
Hugot pawis ang puhunan namin dito.
Para sa pamilya.
Di kami susuko.
Ito,
sa pangarap ay susok. Sobrang angas, tignan mo lumalapit yung mga kebot.